This is a finite ladder of capacitors. We want to find the capacitance between points A and B, the equivalent capacitance. For a finite ladder, always start from the far end. Far end. So here we have to find the capacitance between points A and B. So this is the far end. So we start simplifying the circuit from the far end, not from the near end, because this we cannot simplify easily. Okay, so we have to start from the far end. When we look at the far end, this 2 microfarad and this 2 microfarad are in series. Okay, because the charge on both will be same. So 2 and 2 microfarad are in series. 2 and 2 in series gives us 1. Right? If two same capacitors are in series, equivalent capacitance is C by 2. So 2 and 2 in series will give us 1. Now this 2 together become 1. And now 1 and 1 become in parallel. So you can forget this, replace this by just 1 microfarad. So now we get 1 and 1 in parallel. 1 and 1 in parallel gives us 2. Because when two same capacitors are in parallel, then equivalent capacitance is 2C. So 2 and 2 in series gave us 1, 1 and 1 in parallel gives us 2. So this becomes 2, this part of the circuit is gone. Again 2 and 2 in series will give us 1. And then 1 and 1 in parallel will give us 2. Then 2 and 2 in series will give us 1. And 1 and 1 in parallel will give us 2. And finally 2 and 2 in series will give us 1. So the answer is 1 microfarad. So this is how easily we can solve this finite ladder of capacitors. Always start from the far end and then see which capacitors are in series or parallel. So first we realize this 2 and 2 are in series. So that gives us 1 microfarad. 1 and 1 in parallel will give us 2. 2 and 2 in series will give us 1. 1 and 1 in parallel will give us 2. 2 and 2 in series will give us 1. 1 and 1 in parallel will give us 2. And 2 and 2 in series will give us 1. 1 microfarad is the answer.